We cannot test the phenomenon that defies gravity. So these two meet and join together. Here it is, Shanti Stupa. Hello people, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. I haven't been finishing off the vlogs in the end because past 2 days we've been riding in the night. It gets quite late and we come check in and settle down and I call it a day. So if you haven't seen the previous vlog, you'll know why I didn't finish the vlog. Do go watch it. We reached Khalsa at around 8 in the night. By the time we could reach Leh, it was 10 p.m. So we checked in here at Leh Castle. We didn't go hunting for too many options and all that. We found something in our budget. The room is quite decent and got ample parking space as well, so no issues with that. That was our main concern. We need to park. We can't park it on the streets, right? So apart from that, today is the day where we'll just be taking a break from riding. Today we'll be acclimatizing in Leh and get our bike serviced for the journey ahead. I'm just waiting for Yatish to get ready. I woke up early and just got ready. Normally he is up first and gets ready. Today he's just taking rest, right? So what's the hurry? Once Yatish is out, let's get going. Let's explore Leh. Something surprised me. I just came by the window to take a look at the view outside. I'll show you guys. You see, this is the view outside. And it's drizzling in Leh. What do we do? You see the water on the road, right? I don't think it's possible. I don't think you can see it, but there was a slight drizzle. Normally it doesn't rain. I don't know exactly the weather conditions in Leh and all that. But yeah, there is a very slight drizzle. Dude, why are you in rain gear? In Leh.
It's raining in Leh, dude. Surprising, but it is.
It's raining in Leh. It's not a heavy rain and all that. It's drizzling in Leh. We need to get our work done, so no matter what nature throws at us, we will go out. Come on. We're here at Royal Enfield Service Center. It's raining in Leh. It's raining in Leh. That is the highlight for the day. Never expected it to rain in Leh. So dropped our bikes for service. They said they will do it immediately and give it to us. So once we get the job done, we'll do some small exploring in Leh. But before that, they have a cafeteria here and we've ordered for Maggie as well. We'll have Maggie also. I don't know if I'm allowed to show you the workshop on the video, or if photography and videography is allowed. I didn't ask them. We just want to get the job done first. That's very important. Walking. Only walking in Leh main bazaar. So Yatish wants to purchase some fridge magnets and some souvenirs. We'll get that done. You see main bazaar, there are people with fresh vegetables, apricot. Yatish, full shopping. On to go. Done with their shopping, heading back to the room. So I think we've acclimatized enough. Huh?
And
the mall,
we have spent enough.
We've spent actually. He spent enough. I don't shop. I don't do any shopping like that. For me, travel itself is shopping. That is only biggest expenditure. Rest is later. I just bought a few keychains. That's it. Nothing else. Update on the inner line permits. We got the permits in Chandigarh. We applied it online when we stayed over in Chandigarh for a day, since we had good internet connectivity there. We got the job done, but that is not sufficient. You need to bring that printout to the DC's office here. It's in the main market. You ask anyone, they'll guide you there. You go to the main market, you will find the DC's office. Go and get it sealed. but for us currently what has happened is we are not allowed to stay in Hanle. Overnight stay in Hanle is prohibited for us. I don't know for what reason, but that is already written and sealed.
China
We
is
can
it?
visit Hanle, but we can't stay there. So that is a restriction as of now. That is the update. So permits are very easy. You don't have to worry. Just log into the website, give in your details, get the printout, get it signed and sealed. I mean stamped. Small misunderstanding. You need not go to the, what do you say, DC's office. Only if you want to visit Hanle, you need to go there. If you're not going to Hanle, you just take the printout and you can go. That's what Yatish told me, because he was the one who went there. I didn't go. Yatish was the one who visited the DC's office and they said, why did you come? We did all the local bazaar, permit area, Royal Enfield store. Now let's go to some tourist places. I'm already wearing a wind cheater jacket, because by the time we head back to the room it will be a little late. I don't want to look like a hero in t-shirt in this cold weather. Don't be a Gama in the land of Lama. Cafeteria. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹಿಂದೆ. Okay, Monday it's closed. Today is what day? Monday. What timing ra? So basically Monday the Hall of Fame is closed, guys. Keep this in mind. Oi re! Look at the crowd here. Did you see that? That is the what is it called? ADV, not ADV. What are those bikes called? Yeah, all terrain vehicles. So this was the board that we saw last night. There is so much crowd here.
ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತು ಗಾಡಿನ
ಗಾಡಿ ತರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ.
ತಗೊಂಬ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್.
ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅದೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್.
Okay, let's go get a pic. We cannot test the phenomenon that defies gravity. So you need to park your vehicle in the box marked with the paint on the road and experience the wonder. I don't see that mark. Where is it? Right mark. I mean, there's a yellow paint mark somewhere. See those guys? They've taken off-road vehicles and gone up the hill. Fortuner, Creta, and Scorpio are on top. Yeah, that's a Creta there on top there. So this is one river here, and there is one river coming from there, and both of them meet. So that is the Sangam point. We'll go further and show you the top view of it. I just stopped here to show you this bridge as well. We can actually go down. Once you go down, you can see how the water merges when two different rivers meet. Some details in the board. That is one river there, and this is one river coming from here. So these two meet and join together. So this is a Sangam point. ठीक है, कल मिलेंगे.
बाय. हम देख लूंगा आपका जो नेटवर्क होगा तो फोन.
हाँ, फोन करना.
में चलेगा ना, मैं बोल दूंगा उनको. ठीक है.
नुब्रा में है ना वो?
हाँ, नुब्रा में.
हाँ.
उधर में.
खुंडर. ठीक है, ढूंढ लेंगे. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ರೀಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ 5 o'clock 5:30 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನೇ. That is why I told my viewers, please do it in 2 days, not in a single day. So you can visit all these places during the day and come. Otherwise, what will happen? You'll have to do it like us. Come the next day, 30 kilometers from Leh city to see all this. So don't do this mistake. Take your time, riding, driving, no matter what. Do it in 2 days. It's better. So photo and videography not allowed inside Gurudwara Patthar Sahib. ಅದು ಗುರುದ್ವಾರ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಪತ್ತರ್ ಸಾಹಿಬ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಐ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸೊ read that. No photography and videography allowed inside, so go visit, have some prasad, have some tea, and we leave. This is the entrance to Ladakh Shanti Stupa. पार्किंग फुल है शांति स्तूप में पार्किंग फुल है ಇಳಿಯಪ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸ್ತೂಪ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 9 PM so the place is open until 9. Flying of drone cameras are prohibited near the vicinity of Ladakh Shanti Stupa. There it is, Shanti Stupa, Ladakh Shanti Stupa. There is quite some crowd around here. Panoramic view of Leh from Shanti Stupa. So I think we're done exploring Leh for today. We're at Shanti Stupa and I think I'll finish the vlog here for today. What do you say?
Yes.
Every day a new location to finish the vlog. We'll try that. Normally it happens when we're riding, it doesn't happen. So thank you for watching the vlog. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.